Welcome to Software Minimalist channel. My name is Piotr and I will be your guide to software minimalism. I record this short video to talk about ethical software engineering practices. When was the last time you questioned if your software engineering process is ethical? While talking about software engineering, there is a general tendency to treat ethics and professionalism as disconnected. Ethics is almost exclusively associated with the outcomes, like writing a piece of malicious software versus writing a useful app, or hacking a system versus improving security, while professionalism is associated with the process of generating the outcomes in the first place, the software engineering ways of working in an organization. I have yet to see anyone evaluating the practices and ways of working of software teams as ethical or not. They are only ever judged to be professional or not. And I think that's strange since the two are so closely tied together. I believe it's a blind spot of the current software engineering culture. Making an unprofessional choice becomes an ethical dilemma the moment you can predict the outcomes. And after 50 years of software engineering, the Agile revolution, we do know the ethical consequences of unprofessional actions in the domain of software engineering. The processes, the practices, ways of working can and should be viewed as making your organization more or less ethical. Imagine your customer has a set amount of money and time. They ask you for a product, you promise them you will deliver, and then you fail. Not only once, but you fail so repeatedly and reliably that the whole industry gets used to the promises of software engineering to be generally unreliable. Think of the situation from the customer's perspective. Being unpredictable is unprofessional, sure, but continuously choosing the bad practices which reliably lead to failure, missed deadlines, local optimizations, waste of money and time from everybody, death spirals, frustrations, and quitting. This goes beyond professionalism. Doing so makes us unethical. The opposite is also true. If we choose to adopt practices which increase the chances of success, we are choosing the ethical option. It's fortunate the ethical choice here is also the economically beneficial one. Customers get what they needed sooner with higher quality, business stakeholders gain from their investments, the teams are under less pressure and have a healthier work-life balance. Everybody wins. Scientific method, Kent Beck's extreme programming, Dave Farley's continuous delivery, Robert Martin's clean agile, value stream mapping and theory of constraints, cutting out artificial complexity. This is ethical. This is agility, and this is professional software engineering. Make the right choice. Thank you all for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share. Provide super thanks or Patreon support if you can, and have a beautiful day. Until next time, your software minimalist.